Morning, June the 10th. I am my first day in my 65th year. All right, so June the 9th, my birthday. I thank everybody out there that thanked or wished me a happy birthday. One more time around the sun, as I used to say. Well, anyway, today's a little bit of information on the 12-volt DC side, which we could call chassis or coach. Chassis would be the engine, drivetrain, frame, and coach would be the house part, right? Well, we're been talking about, I finally got my beaver back in, my first day back to work. It's a Monday. So I had those original up there, the clearance light. That one's out, that one's out. So I'm going to put in, yeah, I know it's a little shaky. Hold on, put you on pause for those that don't like shaky videos. All right, so we're up on a ladder. I should have put out my, what do you call it? I forgot the darn name of it. It'll come to me. Anyway, here we go. Well, we took out this non-polarity device, okay? That means a light bulb, all right, that goes in there. And it's all corroded in there. I sealed them bad boys up to where they won't leak at all. I mean, I got some gunk on them. But this is a LED. Let me put you on pause. That's an LED. All right, there's 5 in each one, so there's 10 in this. It's called a bullseye. All right, there you go, bullseye, bullseye, dual bullseye. These are 4-inch by 2-inch. And when I got this bad boy, I put in stainless steel screws. Okay, so you want them. Because if you put the cheaper screws in regular metal and a little bit of water gets behind them, well, guess what? They rust and break off. And them 2 holes there, well, they're not happy anymore. And you got to drill them out. And there you go. All right. More work, right? Because you decide to go cheap. So here's the thing I'm getting. The incandescent light bulb, the regular light bulb. Hold on. I'm going to get it out of my pocket. Okay. So the one that has the wire in it. You could see a little bit of corrosion got in there. Well, these blow out all the time, folks. That means you got to get your old butt up in there. The average age of a Class A motor home, or any motor home actually, or any bumper pole, even a fifth wheel is considered a bumper pole, even though the bumper ain't pulling it. Or a pulling RV. They have clearance lights on them. So, you know what I do is I just put LEDs in. I buy the higher quality ones. I'll give you the place I got them. But there you go. So this incandescent bulb didn't matter if you put plus or minus on either side. Positive of the battery, negative of the battery. And folks, it does come all the way from your engine battery, 40 or 38, this is a 40 foot, 40.2 feet, all the way up to the front on the front clearance lights, which are yellow. The sides are yellow. The rears are red. Rear red. All right. So that's a story later. Anyway, it doesn't matter what wires what, but it does on the LED one. So I stripped the wires back, and I'm going to show you. Most of you probably have one of these. I gave away like 25 of them long time ago. This will show me plus or minus in here. It'll turn green for ground and red for positive, and that means where this is located. If you're using a multimeter, when you have the digits up, you're going to use 20-volt scale. When you have the digits up, the LCD, liquid crystal display, to the left, if you got the wires, the multimeter wires backwards, red lead on negative and black multimeter lead on positive, you'll see a negative sign next to the left of the number. That means the red lead of the multimeter, if in the right hole, is on the negative, and the black lead of the multimeter, the common hole in the meter, is on the positive. So now you know which one is which, because the LEDs, light emitting diodes, are polarity. They need the right flow of current. All right, so I'm gonna hook this up and show you, put you on pause. So you notice it's green. So that means this right here, this thing right here, that stem is on the negative. That means that alligator is on the positive. Now I'm going to switch them around. Put you on pause. Okay. Notice I switched them around. The red means this right here on this terminal right here, this right here coming out, this piercing multimeter lead end is the showing you what voltage is available. So I'll put it on that wire again. It is red. Let's see how many volts are available. Sorry for the movement, but it is what it is. I'm up on a ladder. I'm 65. It is 11.3. Okay. So my battery voltage is getting low. But I do have it on a charge right now. I do have the 50 hooked up. All right, so that's all I was showing you, folks. How to figure out the polarity. You can use this on all your 12-volt lights inside your coach if you're trying to check them. Take them from incandescent, just a regular old wire light bulb, like a little bitty wire inside the glass, incandescent, and put in your LEDs, because I get a lot of emails and I hooked them up and they don't work, but the old one did. So there you go, folks. Remember, if you're using a multimeter, 20-volt DC scale, and you put your leads on each wire and you get a negative to the left of your number, your positive multimeter lead is on the negative. Your black multimeter lead is on the positive. There you go. You don't have to flip them around, test them again like I showed you. I'm just showing you how it works. All right, folks, so I'm going to dig all these out, fix this one, do a bunch of new ones across here, and I got to jump in today and do the rest of them. I don't know, see how I feel standing on this ladder. Whew. Man, it sucks getting old. All right. God bless you all out there. Thank you very much. Give me a thumbs up. Put some comments in there. You old SB, you don't know what you're doing. There you go. And subscribe, folks. I'm only like, I don't know, 200 and some away, I think. Or, I don't know, 300 away from 7,500 members. I'm giving away $6,000 in prizes. What are the prizes? 1 free year membership to my website. You get me personally on the phone, just like we're doing here, guiding you through it step by step. I don't care if it's a diesel code, gasoline code, brakes, anything to do with your car, vehicle, RV. There you go. Thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Remember, test, not guess, like we just did here.